Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and I am here today with a quick and simple breakfast sandwich recipe. They are called sausage rolls, and I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys. So you are going to need some crescent rolls. You're also going to need some sausage. Now, I prefer pork sausage, but if you like turkey sausage, chicken sausage, whatever it is, go ahead and use that, and you will need to cook it. So mine is already fully cooked, but if yours is raw, you're gonna need to cook it first. You're going to need the cheese of your choice. I have a preference for cheddar, but I'm sure Monterey Jack, Swiss, whatever cheese you prefer would work just fine. And then here on my plate, I have my cheese slices and my sausage slices. And you're also going to need some eggs. This is 4 eggs that I scrambled in a tablespoon of butter, and I added a little bit of salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt because everything else has salt in it, like the sausage and the cheese. And if you want to see how this yummy little recipe comes together, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have my crescent rolls all laid out on a little mat here, and I'm just going to grab my piece of cheese. Now the crescent rolls are a little bit narrow, so it's not gonna fit on there perfectly, and that's okay. And they actually have jumbo crescent rolls, but oops, forgot my eggs. I didn't see those in my store, so I'm just using the regular crescent rolls. So I'm taking a little bit of eggs here, and I'm going to add my sausage right there. And it takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it, I mean, you've got it. And I'm just gonna take this and roll it over, just like so. And then I'm just gonna lay this right over here on my baking sheet. I've already done one, and we'll do another one. And the good thing about these little sausage rolls is that you can make them ahead of time, and then you can also freeze them. They freeze well, so you can have them for a quick breakfast. So there goes my eggs. And then again, you're just gonna wrap these over. So this is the last one I'm gonna do on camera. I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera. And by the way, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, but I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or whenever they're golden brown. And I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so here are the crescent rolls. I ended up baking these for about 16 minutes. And here is what they look like. And I split one open for you, so here it is. You can see the cheese and egg and the sausage. Now, what I will say is that because I used the smaller crescent rolls, I couldn't find the big ones. I probably could have gotten away with scrambling only 3 eggs. If you have the larger crescent rolls, 4 eggs will work for you. Howard tried the other half of this sausage roll, and he loved it. He loves stuff like this, like kolaches, stuff like that. So anyway, this is it. Like I said, a quick and simple recipe for breakfast. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. I have a couple more videos scheduled for easy and quick breakfast ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.